Hello everyone and welcome to another Squarespace tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to insert image alt text in Squarespace. We're going to go straight to the point. Before we do that, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And let's get started. So all you have to do is to come here in Squarespace. You are going to navigate to any page and you are going to click edit. Once you click edit, you are going to scroll and you're going to find the image that you want to change the alt text or you want to insert an alt text. You are going to double click on the image. This little menu here is going to open up. You're going to scroll down and here it says image alt text. You need to fill in the alt text and that's all. You can also change the image name as a best practice, and you can do this with every image that you have in Squarespace. So you edit, you double click, this menu opens up. Under image alt text, you insert your alt text, and that's all you have to do to insert an alt text in Squarespace. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. If you want to work with me, there are links in the video description. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day in any time zone. Bye everyone.